Okay, we're now going to have a quick look at how we input our data onto the custom grid of the target tracker. That's where the Salford and the Suffolk reading tests are based, and also the single word spelling test. As you can see, I've placed the camera slightly to the right of the screen, and so you can't actually see the children's names, but there's no data on there at the moment. As we say, we press the custom grid, and here at the top you can see all the different columns. So this is for spring 2013 to 14, and the first column, as you can see here, is the chronological age. Now, because Target Tracker and Excel function on base 10, it doesn't really understand year groups or age very well. So what you have to do is separate the year from the month. And what we do is we'll export this onto an Excel spreadsheet, multiply the age by 12, add it to the months, and then give a month age. And that'll be really useful because later on we need to find out the difference between the reading ages, either the Salford or the Suffolk reading ages, and the chronological age, to see whether the children are slipped back. So we enter in first of all the chronological age in terms of years, and here in terms of months. Best way to get that is from the office. Very, very quick, very, very simple. We then put in, once we've done the Suffolk reading test, we then put in the standardized score, and that's Spring Suffolk Reading Standardized Score, ST. That goes down here. We've also got the reading age equivalent for the Suffolk reading. Again, that's in years and in months. And that way, when we export this onto an Excel spreadsheet, we can very quickly work out whether it's plus or minus. I'll just move this down here a little bit, and we can start to see that there's the same idea for the Salford. There's the Salford there coming through, and the Salford month. Here we go. The plus and the minus, which again was calculated on the Excel spreadsheet. You don't have to do that, so that's not a problem. This is the spelling test. There's a raw score. The standardized score, again you'll need the grids for this to work out what that raw score interprets as. Then again we've got the year and the month and a plus and a minus column. That column, again, like all the plus and the minuses, I'll be doing on the Excel spreadsheet. So all you need to do is make sure that in each of these you've got the correct year and months that the test gives you. And hopefully that should work out really very well. It should give you some really interesting information, because once you've got how far away those children are, or plus or minus from their chronological age, you can soon work out which children, even those kind of in the middle, are not achieving the expected age related spelling scores. Don't forget that as soon as you click onto filters, you can then identify a whole host of different groups within your class, whether it's gender, children with English as an additional language, birth term, etc., etc. And that still works through the custom columns. Thank you very much.